Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I am here to show you one best free application where you can change your voice, and if you need any voice with form of text, just you have to write text and you will get the voice of that words. So today I am here to show you that. So let's get started here. So I am here in my laptop and we will download first of all this Balabolka application, and from there you can download. I have already downloaded here. You can see here I have already downloaded and it is totally free, so you can download for Windows. I have already downloaded and I will open this application and you will see this app interface, and here you can change any voices, either you want in boy's voice or girl's voice. You can change here. So I'll be playing here. I will write something I have written here. So I am fine. So I will start from here and then play this. You can see here this green symbol of play.
Hello everybody. How are you? I am fine.
You can see here I have written the text and it is converted into voice. So it is in girl sound, and if I want to change this into boy sound, just click here and you can see here. Now I have selected this Microsoft Jira desktop, but you can change into boy's voice from Microsoft David desktop. Just click here and play this.
Hello everybody. How are you? I am fine.
So in this way you can translate any words into voice, and it is very simple. So this Balabolka is a text-to-speech software based on SCPI, which is Microsoft Native Speech API. So this platform comes with various additions and changes designed to improve clarity, articulation, and quality of the speech generated. On default, Balabolka uses Microsoft ANA to convert text files to speech. With Microsoft Speech functionalities, the program can check for spelling errors with the BV script. So I will suggest you to use this application for free and get work to you. And I think this video helps. If you need any doubt, if you get any doubt from this application, you can comment below where I will solve your problem. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates like these videos, and thank you for watching this video.